I'm back again today with another Girls' Generation SNSD少女時代 reaction for you guys. So today I'm finally going to be doing another MV marathon for SNSD, but this time it's going to be the Japanese releases. You guys have been begging me to do the Japanese releases, so here I am. I'm super excited. I'm going to be doing Mr. Taxi, Beep Beep. Now I'm not sure if you are subscribed to Sir Austin. I'm sure the majority of you are. If you're not, please go and head over to his channel, subscribe. He reacts to... Anyway, why am I promoting Austin? Anyway, he was adamant, and I mean adamant, that I react to Beep Beep. So that's why I'm doing Beep Beep, so thank him. Galaxy Supernova, and then Flower Power. I'm super excited. Let's just go.
Disclaimer, I don't like to react with captions on as I find them distracting. I like to concentrate on the music, and the music production is what I like to comment on the most. When I'm looking at the words at the bottom of the screen, I'm missing parts of the song, their vocals, and I'm missing parts of the MV and choreo. I'll read the lyrics later in my own time.
Okay guys, let's go. We're starting off with Girls' Generation, Mr. Taxi, MV. Let's go. Okay. Do-do-do. I love that. The synth. Drive tonight. Okay. That clap that just came in. Ooh, these outfits. Ooh, that break. Yeah, these outfits are it. Yeah, this is my favorite part, I think. Oh boy. Hey! Ooh, these melodies. The advent song. I love that. Vocals. Ooh. Is it finished? Is it gonna be more? Finished. Wow, I've missed their sass. I feel like I forgot how sassy they really are. Also, I feel that they were being a little bit extra flirty in this one. Like when it was having those moments where it's like their close-ups. Oh my god, I was feeling a little bit flirted with. I enjoyed that. That was fun. I think musically, my favorite part would have been the bridge. I loved the melodies during the bridge. There were some really, really nice melodies. And the little ad-libs all throughout the song actually. There were some really nice hidden little melodies, if you know what I mean. The chorus was super, super catchy. I loved the choreo. I loved the outfit change when they went into those black outfits. Like I said, it's quite saucy, quite saucy. Yeah, that was fun. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so now we have SNSD, Beep Beep, MV. I'm not sure why this isn't on the official channel. Let's go. Mushy mushy. I love that so much already. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I love this one. Hey! Hey! Oh, I love this. Oh my god, this is really stuck in my head. I love that so much. Back as well. Ooh, vocals. Ooh, vocals. Love those things. Mushy mushy. Are you hearing the ad-libs? My god, that's straight up one of my favorite Girls' Generation songs so far, hands down. That's the exact sort of sound I absolutely love. I love that sort of bubblegum pop, synthy galore, cute sort of sounding, sweet melodies, playfulness, happy vibes. That is the sound I love, and I absolutely love that. I'm actually surprised that Sir Austin loves that, because as far as I was aware, I thought he wasn't that into sort of bubblegum pop sounds, and I was like, bubblegum galore? That's hands down one of my favourite girls. That actually might be my second favourite after G. It might actually be. I love that. I love the visuals as well. Pink is my favourite colour. Pink is my favourite colour. Choreo was cute. Also, let's not forget, the vocals. I just find their ad-libs absolutely fantastic in every single song, especially coming towards the end of the song. There's always just incredible vocals and ad-libs. I don't know who's always doing them, but every single time, without fail, and I'm living for it. Like, I already know there's probably going to be more in this next track, and I can't wait. Let's just go on to the next one. Okay, guys, let's go. Now we have Girls' Generation, Galaxy Supernova, MV, dance version. Sorry guys, I just had to check if I was doing the right one, and I think I am. Let's go. Let's see. I love this synth already. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, I love this so much. Love it. Hey. Yeah. Ooh, that's it. I love this.
Oh boy, do you believe the situation? Yeah, you'd better keep this a secret.
Okay. I love this part. Are you listening to the ad-libs? Love that. These chords. Do you got synth in the back as well? Oh, I love this so much. Bro, the ad-libs. Strutting. Oh my god, I love that so much. I love that. What the hell? Okay, we came back to the sassiness again with that one. However, I loved the synths, the melodies, just everything. I love everything about that. That has to be another one of my favorites from Girls' Generation so far. I loved it. I always say, if a song is easy for me to sing along with straight away, the first time I hear it, then it's a good song. Like, it does its job. And straight away I was able to sing along. Their music is just so easy to love, if that makes sense. There were so many little moments like, I can't remember how it goes exactly. You know what I mean. There were so many little moments like that in the song. I love the synths. That little bridge part, that little breakdown, those chords during that part and those melodies, absolutely fantastic. Do I even need to say it? Do I need to say it? The ad-libs. I'm someone who, if you haven't already noticed, I think it's pretty obvious, I'm someone who really, really loves a good ad-lib. I think they make a song at the end of the day. Songs would be rubbish without ad-libs. And Girls' Generation are hands down one of the best groups I've ever experienced when it comes to like ad-libs. Like every single time. I love that. Let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, let's go. Girls' Generation, Flower Power, Envy. Let's go. Check, I am still filming. Love those outfits. This is supposed to be silent right now. Why did the MV start off silent? I'm confused. Is it just me? Or is my shit broke? Okay. 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 Human nature. Please do it again. Yeah! Okay. Love those scenes. Yeah, oh, I love that. Oh. Ooh, I love it. Oh, that flower. I love this one as well. This choreo, these synths in the pre-chorus. Wow. I love this chorus. This part. Flower. That's in the back as well. Yeah. Like, yeah, oh. So catchy. Flower. Flower. That is so good. They ended it on that. again, that one was your standard sort of sassy Girls' Generation type of track. But again, the melodies remained so consistent. That chorus was one of my favorite choruses. It was super, super catchy, but it was super, super sort of like breathtaking as well because of that sort of post-chorus sort of part that whatever that was, bro, that sounded so good. That part was like addictive. Addictive. Wow, I really can't speak English right now. I love that one a lot. I love that one as well. I feel like that's the one that's gonna get stuck in my head the most, probably because of that. I already want to hear it again. I love the choreo in this as well. Super sexy, super sassy. They're so hot. I did not realize that they were a hottie type of group, but they definitely are a hottie type of group. I love them. I love that. If I have to pick a favorite out of the 4 today, it would probably be Beep Beep. I loved Beep Beep. But yeah, that's it, guys. I've got nothing else to say. Please let me know which Girls' Generation MVs you want me to do next. I'll do another marathon. I don't know how many they've got left. It would be really cool if you guys left me like a list of all the MVs and maybe tick off the ones that I've already done or just don't include the ones that I've done. It will help me out a lot and make life a lot easier for me. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, I love you. I love you. Go and follow me on Instagram, guys. Go and follow me on Twitter. And yeah, goodbye.
Oh!